Ah, that would be... Did you hear that? There it was again. Such a beautiful bird. I cannot believe my luck. I just thought today I'm just going to go out in the forest, see whatever I can find and photograph that. Now in late spring there is a lot of birds coming back from the migration, so the possibility to get something is much more higher, and it's a beautiful day as well. So I'm hoping that something will turn up and I can photograph whatever I can find. So I found some nuthatches nesting in a box just further in there. So I'm just gonna sit here a little bit and wait and see if it starts. There it is. Okay, I need to see if I can film it. Cool. So nice with the nuthatch. It's all over the place finding food for the small children, and it's so awesome to watch. It's reminding me of the woodpecker going up the log of the tree. It's so cool, and I think it's the only bird that can like go downward. Really cool to watch that bird. But all in all, being in the forest in the spring when everything comes to life, everything with bird songs and the colors in the leaf and everything is just stunning. Oh, it's so important to stop and listen when you are walking through the forest in case you miss something. And knowing the bird songs really comes in hand when you're walking through the forest to like know what birds are around in the area. I just heard a grey-headed woodpecker a little further down there, so I'm going to check that out. That would be really awesome to photograph the grey-headed woodpecker. I have never photographed that bird before, so I love woodpeckers. So beautiful birds, and the grey-headed woodpecker is one of them, a little bit mid-size woodpeckers. So that would be. Did you hear that? There it was again. The grey-headed woodpecker. Oh, I hope I can photograph that. Because now it's really challenging in the forest with the light changing all the time, because the sun is like hitting some spots, and the sun is a little bit too high on the sky yet, so you don't get that soft light yet though, but yeah. I can hear the grey-headed woodpecker. I saw it as well, flying just above me. So hopefully I'm gonna find it again. So I found the nest of the grey-headed woodpecker. I've been here now for half an hour, just sitting in the distance and observing. So I think I'm going to take my camera out now and see if I can start to get some photos. How amazing is this? I am really happy. So, and I want to keep the longest distance as possible, not to disturb, and therefore I brought my D500 with the 500mm, and I might take the 1.4 converter as well, so yeah, I can be much more longer away and therefore not disturb. The distance I'm sitting here now is really okay, because the bird doesn't seem to mind. But really great. So the woodpecker is inside the nest now. I just need to wait until it comes out to go out for look for insects, and then come back again. But this is so exciting. As long as it is inside, I am able to go a little bit around in respectful distance to get some different kind of angles when it comes back, and then I can also get some backlight when the sun is getting a little bit lower in the sky. So hopefully, yeah, I got to get enough opportunities to get different kind of shots. It's sticking its head out. Sticking its head out. was a really nice day, and I hope you enjoyed this as well. I had a plan to take the Q&A on the end of this video here, but I didn't get the time, so I promise you I will get the Q&A video next time. So until next time, I will see you.